Runway AI versus Pika Labs versus Pictory versus Synthesia. Stick around till the end. I will reveal which AI tool delivers the best value and unique features that could save you tons of time and money in 2025. Runway AI is one of the most advanced AI video generators out there. It takes images, text, or even rough sketches and turns them into cinematic video clips using Gen 2 and now Gen 3 models. It is great for creators who want full control over style, motion, and camera effects. The interface is clean, but there's a learning curve. If you're into experimental video or storytelling with high visual polish, Runway AI is a powerhouse. Pika Labs is gaining major traction in 2025 for its fast, artistic image-to-video generation. You feed it an image and a prompt, and it animates the scene with surprisingly creative motion. Think AI-generated music videos, aesthetic loops, or surreal storytelling. It is more playful than practical, perfect for creatives, short-form content, or visual artists. While still in development, Pika's community and results are growing fast. Pictory isn't for cinematic visuals. It's a text-to-video tool for marketers. You paste in a script or blog post, and it builds a video using stock clips, captions, and background music. It doesn't animate images like Runway or Pika, but it shines when it comes to social media videos, explainers, and business content. If you want a polished, fast-paced video from a blog or voiceover, Pictory saves hours of editing. Synthesia specializes in AI avatars that read scripts like a virtual presenter. Upload an image, and while it won't animate landscapes or objects like Runway or Pika, it does let you turn static profile photos into lifelike avatars for training, sales, or tutorials. You pick a language, voice, and style, and the avatar talks. It's professional, global, and scalable. For corporate or e-learning videos, Synthesia is one of the most reliable platforms in 2025. So which AI tool delivers the best value and unique time-saving features? If you're a creative artist or filmmaker, Runway AI gives you stunning visuals with deep control. Want quick, stylized animations from a single image? Pika Labs is your best bet for artistic impact. Need fast content marketing videos from text? Pictory is your productivity hero. For professional voiceover avatars and training videos, Synthesia saves hours of production time. Hidden gem of 2025, Pika Labs. It is fast, fun, and surprisingly powerful for turning images into compelling animated scenes, especially if you're short on time but big on style. If this video helped you, like and subscribe for more AI tool comparisons. See you soon!